I'll have to go and do and just try to still like.
Yeah, 1, 2. What's up, guys? So I just want to shoot a quick update video to update you guys a little bit on this channel and the direction of this channel, and that might be a drastic change for some of you guys who've been watching a lot of my self-help videos, and those who've been watching my channel mostly for the self-development videos. But I want to announce to you that for probably the next few weeks and the next few months, I'm not going to be making self-help videos anymore. The reason being is that I realized that the vast majority of the people who subscribe to this channel are for the POV videos, you know, the artistic videos that I made, the artistic short films and the montages and the pickup stuff. I'm going to switch up the content of my channel. I'm going to focus it on really making art. Doesn't mean I don't value personal development. Doesn't mean I don't do personal development. In fact, I do it every single day, and this is probably the biggest passion of my life, probably after making videos. It was a very difficult choice for me to make, but I'm going on a transition right now on this channel. I want to see how that goes. I might come back to personal development videos soon, or I might even open a second channel just for personal development for you guys who like personal development a lot. But I realized, you know, I did those personal development videos and I have 8,000 subscribers. If I make a video, it'll get, I don't know, 100 views, 200 views, which is less than, it's barely 5% retention rate. Barely 5% of my subscribers will watch it or less. If I make a POV video, then all of a sudden it shoots to 1,000 views immediately. This channel has to go POV. It has to go with the artistic videos more, the short films now more. This really hit me recently when I just read a comment on one of my videos, and the person wasn't, you know, wasn't hating or anything. They were genuinely asked, hey, this is a great channel. Sorry if you've probably answered that question many times, but what is this channel about? And I realized something. Holy shit. I thought I knew what that channel was about, but I did so many things. I did personal development. I talk about pickup in some other videos. I go to festivals in some other video. I sneak in festivals in some other video, and then in some other video I don't know, I just take some shrooms or whatever. What is that channel even about? And I realized it was about, yes, personal development, but mostly it was about inspiration, really. Inspiration. Why do I do all those artsy fartsy videos and montages? It's because I wanted to inspire you guys. That's why I did it. I want you guys to do it too. I wanted to sort of yeah, create something artistic, like inspire you guys to do the same. But yeah, that's what I plan on doing for the next few weeks. The POV videos are a lot more work than just pointing and shooting a camera, but I do get a lot more return on that investment, you know, in terms of subscription, comments, and audience engagement. About the live streams, yes, I probably will still keep making them on Mondays, but you know, if a day I'm not feeling it, I'm just not gonna do it, honestly, because I realize there's some days where I just don't feel like doing the live stream, or I don't feel like doing the self-help video, and it just doesn't come off. I don't feel like it comes off right. Those videos get even less views. I'm not even into those videos anymore, and there's like something lacking, you know. There's when I force myself to do, let's say, a personal development video that I don't feel like it, I feel like it comes across in the video, and it feels like it doesn't feel right. And I want to go back to the roots of that channel, how I started that channel, which was really artistic videos, kind of bring you guys into a story, bring you guys into my world, instead of talking to you about life and trying to give you advice. I want to kind of bring you guys into that process, turn that channel sort of into a narrative, like every single video you'll make, kind of turn it into a story, something interesting, something that you can, you know, I always wanted to be a filmmaker, and this is sort of the part of me that I wanted to show, the artistic side, and that's how I started with my very first montage, my very first POV montage. And I feel like through the self-help videos I kind of lost touch with that artistic creative side of myself. I kind of got lost touch with the YouTube algorithm. I gotta make a video every single week and 3 times per week and all this shit. And yes, it did help with my channel but at the same time I feel like I've kind of neglected this sort of inner artist in me, so I want to bring that back. And yeah, for all of you guys that maybe might have subscribed for the personal development videos and all that stuff, you'll get less of them. So I'm sorry about that. I might put less videos than usual, okay? I'll probably go back to 1 video per week every Friday. I'm gonna stick to every Friday for now. Expect less videos, but higher quality videos, you know? Higher quality videos. On a side note, I'm also coming up with a new program called Dance Floor Game Accelerator, where I'm gonna teach you guys how to pick up girls on the dance floor. A very extensive guide. There's many hours of in-field footage and many hours of content in it. It's gonna come out soon. I don't have a release date yet, but definitely before Halloween. So mid-October you can expect it to come out. So as a recap, this channel was mostly geared towards men, you know, inspiring men to go out, become more confident with women, more confident with girls, learn how to become better socially. And I know, yes, 15-16% of you people watching those videos are women, are girls, and sorry girls, but I'm gonna go back to making videos mostly for men. Some of the girls who subscribe, they like the, you know, the how to deal with a narcissist video, how to deal with manipulation videos, how to become more happy videos, whatever. Those videos are gonna be gone for a bit, so sorry about that. But hey, you can stay tuned for the POV videos. I'm gonna keep shooting them. And I'll think about the live streams. I might keep doing them, but probably more sporadically. But for now, thank you for watching. Don't forget to click on the bell to receive all my videos that I'll post every Friday from now on. And don't forget to check out my Patreon page, where I'm gonna start posting more of those previews, POV video previews, because I really want to go in the POV direction now. So thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Peace.